Hello, Digital World. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Andito ako ngayon sa Travelite Hotel, Baguio City. Mag-attend tayo ng 2 days na Futures Thinking course sponsored by our school and mga speaker dito, mga galing sa Development Academy of the Philippines. Marami akong natutunan, especially yung causal layered analysis. Pero hindi ako magdi-discuss ng ganyan. Papasilip ko lang tungkol amenities ng hotel na to. If in case magawin kayo dito sa Baguio. Okay? Kasi hindi naman siguro pang viral yung topic na yan. It's more of the management ideas in terms. So, tara, silipin natin yung hotel na to. Let's go!
Imagine later on. If we will not lead the changes, not be able to create futures, and then it will be very expensive for BSU, Benguet State University, for the government, for the community. No, kasi business as usual status quo, walang nangyayari. But of course, it's risky. No? Though it's risky, yet meron kang preferred feature for your organization to become adaptive, no? To become agile. So there are 50 more and more reasons not to change. Diba? Sasabihin natin, ay ayaw namin mag-change kasi baka malito, baka risky, no, for the organization, mahirap, hindi magustuhan. No, but then again, we have to change anyway. No, we have to change in order for us to be agile. No, in order for us to be innovative. Lagi natin sinasabi yan. So with that, no, with the changes, we will be able to adapt to the so-called VUCA world, full of volatility, uncertainty, complexity, no, ambiguity. No? And aside from that, VUCA world, we also have the so-called tuna world. No? So it's turbulent, still, no, uncertain. There are a lot of novelty, and of course, it's still ambiguous. So from that VUCA and tuna world, we need to create positive changes. No? From the wicked problems that we encountered, we need to create what? Wicked opportunities. Di ba yung COVID-19? Were you able to create mga positive changes after pandemic?